We begin this noon with news of a man arrested in the state capitol building for carrying a gun while looking for the governor. A state spokesperson says a man illegally brought a handgun into Wisconsin's Capitol building, demanding to see Governor Evers yesterday. The man was arrested for a firearms violation and booked into the Dane County Jail. He later posted bail and was released. That same man returned to the Capitol building later that same day, armed with an assault-style rifle, demanding to see the governor. Madison police arrested the man again and brought him to a hospital. The governor's office has not addressed this incident.